Ito si cellphone G.
Ito yung favorite ko eh.
Wala ako dito na lang.
Tulog mo tayo.
Pwede mo tayong
Kaya Vici, pasok ka.
yes.
Yeah. Kaya Kim, pasok ka.
Hindi kayo makalugi. Ingat ang makalugi iPad ko. Kasi may nakalawit eh. Tanggalin ko na yung socks. Hello, Anchors!
Kuya Kim, pasok ka. Kaya Vici,
Ay,
pasok ka.
guys, sarap naman.
Hindi, dito na. Uupo lang daw ko likod.
Just butcher.
Yan.
Dito na lang ako.
G.
Okay, patingin.
Marcus, you're not seen there.
Dito ba?
Okay.
Dito ko Marcos
Wait.
Benz dito.
Dito na. Ayan. Dito.
Ano to?
Ala, napuputol si Kim.
Ay, sorry.
Wala nga si Kim. Siksi ka dito.
Yan.
Yan. Yan.
And
Perfect.
greetings.
Ayan. Alright.
Greetings.
Hello guys, we are Horizon! Oh my gosh.
Happy 3rd!
5, 6, 7, 8.
Happy 3rd anniversary!
Nakapag-cake na kami nung anniversary event, kaya wala na kaming cake na.
Yeah, we ate it already. So mag-healthy foods muna kami kasi puro fruits yung nasarap na.
Yeah, so Horizon is 3 years old now. Pero hindi kami 3 years old.
Mukha lang.
Grabe, may tumawa sa joke ko. Yes! For the first time in forever. Okay.
Okay, sa 3 years natin, ano na yung favorite yung song natin na nailabas?
Fly with it.
Birthday.
Ano sa akin? Lovey Dovey. Still the best.
To be your best friend, but that's okay. Come on, I really want you. So don't just hide it. Just to make me feel every day is birthday.
Horizon!
Yeah! And yeah, as you know, as you can see, Keris is not here. Pero, you know,
Horizon is always
yeah.
because it's in our name. 7. Yeah.
Happy 3rd anniversary to Keris. Sir too, yeah.
Totoo to.
Ano wala yung wifi ko?
Ano ako? Hindi po totoo.
Ha?
Hi Garland. Hi Keisha. Wala si Ton.
Oo, yes.
He is resting.
Happy anniversary.
Guys, may nahanap akong dating recording namin.
Recording? Saan?
I love you Horizon. I love you too.
Hindi, ng mama.
Ah.
Nung nakita ko sa luma kong phone. Kasi pinapractice natin kung paano kakanta. Promise me ka lang pa.
Ganun talaga yan.
Si Jiro. Wait. Wait, papakinggan na. Tingnan yung pakinggan. Based taon-tawa ako na pakinggan. Wait, I'm a fine.
Yung masakit yan sa
Kami isa-isa.
Guys, At magkabahay po. You know, actually, this is our house.
Yes.
Horizon House.
I bought it yesterday.
Yeah, so papang-housewarming na namin to.
Yeah.
Na napabasbasan na rin namin to.
Magpadala na kayo ng housewarming gifts.
Thank you.
What can I
The address is...
Hindi ko makita. Saan ko nilagay?
Ala,
Wait,
hindi
wait,
na
wait.
makita.
Correct. Or... Hmm?
Tahimik yan.
Tahimik yarn.
Hoy. Lo, sinend ko yung galing sa luma akong kunin. Baka hindi ka na.
Natusok, boy. Natusok, ha? Ready na po mag-swimming si Kuya Winston.
Yeah!
Talo na yan, guys.
Alam niyo mga guys,
Talaga. What if yun yung gawin natin sa TikTok live?
baka mo mag-swimming.
Tulak natin si Kuya Winston.
Oo, ready ko na rin naman.
Hindi pwede,
Alam niyo guys, TMI, si Kuya Winston, nakamotor siya nakaganyan. Oo.
Ah, sumakay siya ng motor.
Oo. Sumakay siya ng motor nakaganyan, tapos pagdating niya dito nakaganyan siya. Ready to swim yarn.
Kayo, pre.
Tumama kayo guys!
Hindi talaga makita, sinend ko talaga dito.
Hindi naman joke yun, yung TMI nga eh.
Yun nga, kaya wala sila namin eh.
Di ba siya mga bato ka sa'yo?
Thank you nga pala kay Kuya
Tutulak ka daw mamaya ni Jiro.
Anniversary ever.
Yeah.
Kuya Gino.
Oh yes.
Shout out to Kuya Gino Bay.
Thank you po.
Thank you, salamat. Shout out to Kuya Raster. Shout out to our anchors.
Shout out to everyone.
Shout out to Jeremy.
Wala talaga.
Wala?
Yeah, wait.
Sayang.
Wala talaga.
Hindi na
What the hell?
Hello boys watching from Dubai.
Dubai?
Yeah.
Hindi, hello boys lang.
Ako, talaga yung nalagay nila. Mail siya mag-makeup.
Shout out.
Baka kasi kung ano yung name nyo lang yun.
Ayan,
Ay,
baka-
baka may mabasa nila.
Wabi.
Hindi naman. Careful naman ako.
Ano lang na ganito?
Hindi ko mahanap
Patay na
talaga
muna
pero
ang popcorn.
nasend ko yun dito. Promise.
Yes guys, ngayon, mga stocks na lang kinakain namin kasi. Tapos na tapos na kami.
Kumain na kami ng
Nag-dinner na kami, so sa mga hindi pa kumakain dyan, please eat dinner already kasi it's 8:13 na. Am I right?
8:13, yeah.
Yeah. Basta gabi na. Basta gabi na. It's dinner time already.
Sabi, yun na.
Yeah. Tapos, masyado
No fighting, guys.
We're not fighting, we're just joking.
Ano, pahinga natin ito ngayon, guys. So,
Yes.
magkakasama tayo.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Makita. Sinend ko yun dito, promise.
Saan?
Dito sa
Basta story na lang yan sa sunod
Nasa
sa...
loob.
Huwag naman story, ito naman yung stories ko.
Tapos hindi picture lang.
Kasi diba siya yung part dun sa ano yung
Yung bibirit.
Mama. Tapos si Kyler tumatawa nung ikaw yung sunod na part nun eh. Tapos tumatawa siya habang nagre-record. Nasira. Pero ang ganda nung run natin. Tapos nasira kasi natawa si Kyler dun sa pero sayang, wala na. Hindi ko nakakita yung recording.
Guys, narinig nyo ba kami na clear?
Nari, oo nga no, malayo kasi tayo.
Oo, malayo ka kaya rin ako nagtataka eh.
And they hear. Rinig ba?
Oo, ata.
Ay, try natin. Sound check, sound check.
Yes daw sa akin.
Yes, ayun.
Okay, thank you for answering.
Thank you for those. Eh, may rules din tayo.
Ay, oo nga pala.
Ayun, may rules oh.
Grabe
Pabatok mo ng rose,
Pogi nyo
pabatok
Winston,
ng
men.
Kaya nga
Sa
eh.
live. Kaya nga eh.
Sa live lang
Hindi,
daw.
pero ang pogi nyo, men.
Ah!
Tignan mo, tignan mo.
Thank you for the rose.
Flash nyo, men.
Kaya nga, parang nakakahiya ang katabi
Kulang
Kuya
nga tawag.
Winston.
Ano yan, boy? Tara, alis na tayo.
Tara.
Sige, Winston na lang.
Solo na lang.
Solo na lang ni Winston.
Oo, fresh siya
Solo
mag-shake.
is yarn.
Oo, maganda siya. Magturo siya how to sing.
Pero gusto mo mag-swimming ngayon?
Yun naman, bigla mo nakano.
Ano, tara? Jiro!
Kaya mag-chinelas ako.
Mag-swimming live na talaga.
How to swim, pre. Tutorial how to swim. By Winston Pineda. Aray ko, aray.
Ha, ha, ha.
Yun naman. Swimming ko kasi Jiro eh.
They are so back.
Yes, we're so back.
We are so back.
The boys are back. The boys are back.
Fresh talaga ni Kuya Winston.
Kaya nga eh, siya lang.
May sarili siyang ring
Ring
light.
Ring light.
Parang
Yes.
kakahon niya lang sa sa pool.
Actually, kakagising niya lang. Tapos nung nagbiyahe siya papunta.
Nagbiyahe siya papunta dito.
Nakamotor.
Kasi nakaganito na, no?
Yeah.
Parang gilip pa lang naligo.
Minsan
Sa nagilip pa lang
nakasok ka na. Nakasok ka na talaga.
Oo.
Nagilip pa lang swimming na boy.
Swimming na siya, no?
Swimming kami.
Malam.
Mag-swimming ba kayo?
Oo.
Oo.
Babad lang ako sa chat.
Hindi lang ako swimming siguro.
Ako yung taga-video.
Wala, hindi ka mag-swimming.
Hindi.
Hindi mo rin ako.
Wala akong magagawa.
Wala akong pamalit, Jiro.
Nagdala pa naman na extra.
Ako wala.
Or ano,
And then, sa pool?
Then, tayong karakter. Siyempre ngayon sabay tayo matulog, di ba? Sa isang room. So bukas dapat may pagtripan tayo. Paplano natin kung sino yung pagtripan natin.
Hindi, kung sino yung late magising.
Nagigising.
Oo.
Ihagis natin sa pool. Buhatin natin.
Hindi naman ako matutulog.
So abangan nyo yung story na yan, guys.
sa atin?
Si Winston.
Kay Winston.
Ako ba? Oo.
Maga na akong nagigising.
Maaga na siya.
Anong oras ka nagigising?
Mga
Nine.
9.
Hindi na natutulog eh.
Ito. Minsan tunang sa
Alas 4.
O, di ba?
Oh no!
Mas malala ka pala.
Mas lala na siya ngayon.
Ako nagigising ng mga
Kasi naririnig ko pa siya mga alas 3 ng umaga. Tumatawa pa siya eh.
Sige,
Nanonood pa siya ng comedy. Pag kunwari lang
Watch lang.
pumapanood lang, kagabi tumatawa siya. Ano pinapanood mo kagabi?
So, iPhone happy.
Parang naririnig ko.
Drama.
Mga corny jokes. Babaw yun eh.
Naaway mo lang si Gino.
Ayan nyo guys, ganyan talaga pag
Kahit yung anniversary event pala silang ginawa ko, hindi nag-away sa stage.
Nagawin ba tayo sa sticker nito?
Oo, ilang beses mo kaya siyang...
Parang hindi na tayo nag-uusap ng
Hindi
normal eh.
nag-away.
Mag-usap ka ng
Pag
Sige,
nag-uusap
try natin.
kami,
Mag-usap na ng matin.
Pre, usap ka tayo,
Nag-uusap kami, parang laging may away.
O sige,
Oo,
try
yan,
natin. Mag-usap
parang
Eh, pag hindi kami nag-uusap ng normal lang na, kumusta yan, ganyan.
Okay, go.
Parang lagi kami may away.
Mag-usap na kayo, panoodin natin kayo mag...
Okay, kung yari, ano na, mabait na kayo. 3, 2, 1, go!
Nag-best friend, nag-best friend.
Ayoko last week.
Aray ko, aray ko.
Wait lang, wala kang papaya ka ng Jiro.
Oh!
Oo, ano?
Yung cheese?
Honeydew. Honeydew.
Honeydew?
Ano pa niya? Oo nga, honeydew.
Bakit? Pakwan yung cheese eh.
Honeydew.
Oh,
Iabot mo nga dito yung pakwan. Oo.
Ito.
Lemon ba?
Ayan. Ano to? Apple? Apple.
Apple
Cultured.
cider.
Vinegar.
Boyo.
Sorry.
Aray ko.
Pero alam nyo, watermelon lang yan, tapos naging yellow.
Cultured nga kasi ito man.
Ha?
Cultured.
Cultured? Philippine
Explain mo nga sa
culture.
amin, bakit po?
Ba't siya naging yellow?
Kasi dahil sa araw. Kasi yung red walang din-arawan yun. So ito nag-yellow siya dahil sa araw.
Araw.
Nagre-reflect siya sa clouds kaya umulan. Ha?
Anong ilaw?
Uy, ano kinonect nun?
Okay na, maniniwala.
Muntik na ako maniwala.
Okay na, ito biglang kasi sabi niya.
Hindi, pero dahil sa araw to man.
Alas.
Dahil sa araw.
Nakakagubas ah.
Kaya ako. Gubas.
Ikaw talaga.
How was the Odyssey?
So good. Di mo pa ba napapanood?
Napanood ako. Nanood ako.
Kesa
sa
Limas? Si ba maganda? The best. Yung Odyssey
Ano ba yan?
Pero nag-
kami nag-reserve lang kami sa online.
Pangit ko. Universe 2. Kailangan ba
Wala ba akong makausap sa'yo?
Kailangan na nun, boy.
Ayun na, mag-uusap na sila.
Kaya nun.
Friday?
Kasama si Ate Jet. Ano?
Ate, oh.
Oh, di
Ay,
sila
no.
nag-away.
Tuesday.
Hindi na yun, tapos
Yun yung
na.
pinakamatid ng marinig ko.
Yun na.
The
Gantang ka kasi.
I think this 2026, that's their first conversation na.
Gatong kasi.
Di sila nag-away.
Gatong eh.
Si Gio. Pero lagi nang
Yung
Kapit na kayo.
isang bang
ano?
Wala.
Walang kumakausap.
Dang!
Ba yan? Drake, kausapin niyo to?
Wala ko ba ako kinakausap mo nga ako.
Naririnig niyo ba yun, guys?
Matcha
Oh,
ka.
tap, tap, tap!
May matcha? Sino may matcha?
Who ordered it?
Oh,
Ay, ako na. Yan, gusto ko. Parang
That's my...
Lu!
Ordered it.
Wala sa gabi.
Bumawali niya pinun.
Wala sa gabi. Order.
Ang lala!
Uy, akin!
Ay,
Akin na yan, akin na yan.
Eh, sa kanila
Wala.
yun.
wala kape kasi talaga sinabi ko eh. Pero biglang gusto ko ng matcha.
Oh, ninet.
Ano yung ano? Ano yung...
Patahasal kami. Oh, ninet ko yan.
Hindi ako magkarap.
Ano yun?
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
Wait, ano to?
Akin na, akin na.
Oninet.
Grabe sila na sa'yo.
Gusto ko yung may ano, cookie
Alam mo,
butter.
maganda boses mo.
Boy, may sinabi akong maganda boses ko.
Wala ka tinatanungan kita eh.
May sinabi akong maganda boses ko.
Lalaka!
Bakit ikaw?
Oo, maganda.
Maganda galaw mo?
Boses.
Ala.
Oo.
Maganda galaw mo?
Oo.
Paano mo nasabi?
Ako rin sa...
Paano mo nasabi?
Maganda galaw mo?
Oo.
Kaya mo ko pantayan?
Oo.
Wait!
Ito yung standard.
Pwede niyaw.
Sakit!
Alala!
Ano lalagyan?
Medyo may spicy yung cheese man. Hindi, guys. Ano guys?
Ang weirdo ng mga
Pala yan.
Kay Jiro pa lang.
Pre! Kung narinig ako, may hirap ko yung papatikim. Hindi guys, yung mga ganti namin kay Winston joke lang. Joke ba kaya Winston?
Baka seryoso kayo ng mga
Tapos-
actors ha?
Walang pansinan after.
Kasi kay Winston yung hindi na makamansin dyan.
Baka sabihin na naman nila.
Sarap na yan to.
Ano yan kaya? Pero huwag kayong mag-alala kay Jiro kasi yung totoong brother niya dito sa Horizon, lagi niya kinakasama si Winston.
Yes, tama. Si Winston na.
Hindi kasi, kapag nag-aaway kayo lagi, ay, totoo. Yung kaaway niya si Winston, yung pinaka-best friend niya si Winston din. Pre. Nag-start. Kaya Winston. Kaya Winston, try mo.
Magagargle na mo.
Kaya Winston, try mo.
Yung sa'yo.
Ayoko meron.
Masarap. Try mo.
Ayoko may laway mo eh.
Patry nga din.
Bakit mo, laway ko siya.
Wait lang, sorry. Sarap. Mayat,
May
mayat
nuts.
ba?
Peanut butter yan man.
Peanut butter. Galing sa...
Wait, pasok tayo.
Kadiri! Ayan, ano yan? Ito.
Send question to our live.
Yun yung masarap, babe. Ito yung masarap.
Last na yan. Paabot po.
Ito yung masarap. Tama. Wala,
Ito yan eh, parehas tayo eh. Ay, we?
Boogs!
Wala ba siya?
Gising na gising si Vinci mamaya.
Guys, nagka-restriction yung live natin.
Really?
Why? Ko.
Hindi ko alam. Sabi lang nila.
Ano sabi?
It's our first
Consuming substances
No, bawal. Ay, bawal. Kasi may brand. Ay, wala naman itong brand eh.
Wala naman brand to eh. Brand namin to.
TikTok, this is no brand. This is...
TikTok based Horizon, as you can see.
No.
No brand, no brand. Come on.
Can you see? Can you see?
Brand of so.
Airbnb, no, this is not Airbnb.
No.
This is our house.
Bahay
This is our
talaga
house.
ni guys.
Pinablessing ko na tong...
Bahay talaga
Nakita
ito
niyo
ni guys.
Yung
Ay,
house
oo,
warming.
yung ano.
Pinablessing niyo yung Airbnb.
Oo, lala.
Gago.
Ano yan for the cloud?
Ang sarap!
Ang sarap ah!
Cookie butter.
Pinablessing our
Ito may butter. Butter nga ito.
Yum.
Ba't nagtitext yan?
Si Mami may gamit. Experimental.
Kala ko
Si Mami may gamit.
Kala ko may cellphone si
Nakita ko sa cookie butter cookie butter
Ano yan?
recipe na sabi ko. Try mo.
Ang sarap ma.
May new music kayo, wala pa po. But we're trying to work on it.
Guys,
Popcorn pre oh.
hanggat wala kami new music, please stream Fly With It.
Yes, and habang wala pa kaming new album or anything, okay lang naman kayo makinig ng ibang artist. Basta pag naglabas kami, makikinig na kayo. Ng amin lang. Pero ano bang gusto nyong next genre or next
Game!
na gawin?
Santa Karen! Santa Karen! Grace! Bibili kayo ng
Lala!
grapes! Santa Karen!
Sa lemon, ginanon ko.
Kaya pala maasim-asim.
Kaya ano gusto nyong
Gusto daw
concept na gawin?
Marami nagko-comments nakita ko nung kinover natin yung smoothie.
Smoothie?
Yeah. Bagay daw sa atin yung gano'n.
Ano bang...
Diyan naman.
Paano kung about pagkain yung next natin yung song? Anong pagkain?
Lemon.
Sa akin na
Sige nga, pakanta ka kung paano cookies and cream. Dali ba, bali mo ito yung maging idea ng next natin
Cookies and cream.
Cookies and cream, ano?
Bakit cookies and cream?
Bakit cookies and cream? Cookie. Guys, sample na. That's...
Ang cookie ko.
ulo. Baliw ah. Sana all baliw.
Cookie ko. Ang cookie ko.
Sino yung naka-rush guard? Si Kuya Wing.
Aray ko.
Grabe guys ah.
Ganda talaga. Okay.
Baw.
Ang gamit niya ay yung green up pero ang suot niya ay pang A. Blue na up.
Blue ah.
Diba? Ay, hindi. M na up. Anong kulay yung M?
Green.
Red. Gray, red.
Oh. Ba't kasama niyo si Yisong?
Ay,
Kaya siya umalis kasi nandito na siya.
Isang girl daw. Ang lala. Ito.
Ha? Ha? Bakit?
Marcos, ano pangalan ng orange? Ano po?
Ha?
Ano pangalan ng orange? Hindi ko alam.
Uy, lalaki boy.
Never have I ever naghiraman ng brief.
Ha?
Ako hindi pa ako nagpahiram or nanghiram ng beef ever.
Ilang beses
Wala pa, di ba? Wala pa tayo lahat. Wala pa. Wala pa. Ay, malaki ka naman na ngayon!
Kaya hindi binabalik eh.
Ay!
Ikaw kayo nanghiram?
Oo, lagi.
Aray ko.
Parang ikaw,
Di ba, damit yung hiniram mo?
Balik na daw tayo, Bacolod.
Sino gusto sino pala yung naghiraman ng toothbrush? Wala pa.
Wala pa. Brush pre, wala.
eh,
Wala.
Pa. Brief lang.
Wait lang,
ano, sige nga. Balik na kayo ba? Bagal mag-refresh oh.
Babalik kami doon. Sa 2020...
Secret line.
Oo, miss na nga namin bumalik sa ano. Sa mga ano,
Sino sa inyo crush?
yung mga domestic flights namin.
Ayan.
Ano?
Ayan! Ayan!
Ano?
Hindi daw crush daw si ano.
Wala ah.
Wala ah.
Wala. Uy, wala. Ganun boy.
Marcos, pangalan ng orange is Charmaine.
Ha?
Ano yun?
Bakit Charmaine?
Talaga ba, Charmaine?
Ate,
Te, ang dami.
gets niyo po yung joke? Anong pangalan ng orange? Charmaine. Ano yung joke?
Ano yun?
Be?
Layo.
Bakit?
Bakit naging Charmaine? Ano yan?
Kasi yun yun eh.
Charmaine.
Anong kapya natin?
Ba't ang daming drinks dumadating?
Di pa namin naubos.
Kaya nga eh, kailangan daw ubusin daw kagad.
Ah, yun yung challenge
Oo,
namin.
unrepeat.
Dalawa kay Winston.
What's Charmaine?
Charmaine.
Someone...
Unleashed.
Ayan, sarap Marcos oh.
Oh!
Sa'yo yan.
Sa'yo dito.
Ay, what if mag-invite tayo ng anchor na mag-message para sa atin?
Sige,
Oh,
sige.
okay.
Invite tayo.
Paano ba yun?
You have to...
Ilang
Oh, man.
Guys, sino gusto mag-message para sa amin?
Ay, ito yung ano.
Patulong tayo.
May peanut butter. No?
Te,
Excuse me!
patulog to.
Patulong pumili ng anchor na
Mag-message.
may message sa amin.
Pili ka lang doon sa...
Ikaw na, bahala.
Para
Pili
they're
na.
gonna request
Go!
tapos accept ka lang doon.
Tapos babasahin mo daw ate.
Dapat dapat 15 seconds lang.
Basahin mo daw, te.
15 seconds lang, 15
Makikinig
seconds.
kami. Sige na.
Ayun na, si Jiro. Go Jiro, 15 seconds lang, mabilis lang.
Ayun ba? Papatalihin.
Oo, tapos magme-message.
Grabe lasang dahon talaga.
Oo, parang may...
Uy! Live restricted for some audiences. Wait lang guys ha, medyo nakakailo ah.
Dito na kami men.
Yeah. Mamili lang ako ng isa ha.
Oo. Yung safe yung feeling mo safe.
Ah,
Yung anchor,
yeah.
i-high volume mo para mag...
Saan dito ate?
Okay na.
Hi, I'm a
Sige po.
Hello, ano yan?
Pero ano lang, gawa lang.
Guys, wait lang.
Hindi ba delikado yan? Parang
Iyon.
pag natanggal yung hulog.
Ayan, Anchor Jane.
Anchor Jane.
Pinili ni Jiro yung profile picture siya.
Hoy, di ako pumili. Si ate yun. Sabi niya, ito na lang.
Isa na lang tayo pumili.
Oo.
Kanya-kanya.
Punta kayo dito. Wait lang. I'll face the camera lang.
Oo, kanya-kanya.
Punta kayo dito. Wait lang. I'll face the camera lang. Mag-echo sana. I'll face the camera lang.
Hindi pinapanood. Ayun, wala siya.
Hindi galing na. I-max na lang yung volume.
Hindi. Max already, pero wala siyang...
Wala. Yes niyo tayo. Okay, walang nakapag-message. Okay lang.
Accept ako na iba ah.
Okay na, wala nga eh.
Ayan. Hello po. Hi.
Hello, Awin.
Hi. So, I wanna congratulate Horizon for successful 3 years run. So proud of you. I was being fun since the Dream Maker era until up to this day. So I'm very proud to each one of you. You have experienced a lot and you achieve a lot, and we are so our Anchors are here for you all the time. Ano man yung mangyari, nandito lang kami kasi intact tayo sa isa't isa. Sa bawat tagalayag nyo, nandito lang yung Anchor to guide and support you throughout the voyage of this a very, very long journey ahead pa. So, thank you for being inspiration to us. Thank you for making us happy and feel loved and valued. Mahal na mahal namin kayong lahat.
Thank you po.
What's your name again and where are you from?
My name is Awin from the Cavite.
Thank you, Awin.
Thank you. Love you all, guys. Shout out kay Rayster. I hope makakambak na siya para kumpleto na tayong lahat.
Thank you po.
Thank you. Can we take a picture? Like a screenshot?
Welcome po dapat, welcome.
Wait.
Baka nga mag-o-vlog before doing.
Ayan na.
Okay. Okay. 3. Thank you, guys. Thank you. I love you so much.
Bye-bye.
Thank you po, bye-bye.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Sayawin niyo yung take my...
Okay, Benji ka. Paano daw? Wait, paano daw?
Okay,
si Jiro na.
Hindi alam. Okay, sasayaw kami ng take my hand, guys, pero nakaupo lang.
Yeah.
My dream is so bright, 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 bright. Your love is the night, 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 night. Woo! My dream is so bright, 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 bright. Just give me your hand now. We'll dream until the sun. Night, 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 night. You tell the way bright, 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 bright. In my head.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Tahimik ka ikaw, tahimik ka Kuya Winston.
Ay, sorry guys. Dapat yung isa sa face, yung isa sa torso, and yung isa sa legs.
Wow.
Try natin yan. Take my hand.
Kim, Kuya Carler, Marius.
Ay, mahirap nun. Nakaupo tayo.
Hindi, gawin TikTok.
Tayo. Ay, oo nga, no?
Tara, gawin natin. Pero hindi ako yung gagawa kayo.
Ay!
Hindi, kaya.
Kaya niya yan. Tatlo lang.
Uy, naantok daw siya. Uy, nag-vlog na natin sa pool.
Oo.
Wala.
Maliligo na
Gusto daw inaantok. Kaya
Joke lang.
O tara, pool na tayo.
Joke lang.
Tayo.
O, sige.
Tara, tara.
Tara na.
Pwede po ba yun? O tara na.
So maghihintay yung anchor sa atin.
Hindi, inisip ako nga.
1 hour pause na. 1 hour pause.
Grabe mo.
Guys, wait lang. Mag-post the live lang.
Maglululuran kami.
1 hour pause tapos tulog.
Hindi, end.
Hindi, end ba? Post lang. Alam ko mayroong post eh.
Pero okay lang mag-end muna.
End live na lang. Sige, go.
Po.
Buwan na ulit. Ayun na, balik na.
Okay, we're back.
We're back!
Hey, nagulat kayo. Wala kami sa swimming pool. No?
It's a prank!
It's a prank.
Ginawa lang namin yung gusto namin.
Pinabalik kami ng manager namin. Kasi meron daw silang
Surprise!
In 3, 2, 1!
Surpresa malupit.
unboxing.
Ito yung...
Ayun, may nakalagay na yun.
Marlos.
Vinci.
Beans.
Vinci.
Rister.
Hey, thank you.
Sino?
Tayo mag-unbox na
Kyler.
Giro.
Giro.
Marcusa. Pre, okay sa wish ko
Pre! Winston na. Alala!
Alang ka!
William
Alang ka!
Alang ka, okay.
Alang ka.
Unboxing.
Long sing-sing. Wow!
But how
Oh my
about the ring?
God!
It's a ring!
Is it gold?
It's an earring. Oh my God!
Oh my God!
Whoa!
May nakalagay doon yung 7. Bro, it's adjustable siya, boy.
Ay, wait!
Pinch mo lang, pinch.
Wow!
Wow, we have a ring.
What does it say? Oh my God!
Horizon 7. Ito na lang, dito na lang.
wala ah.
Gitna.
Ala, kabisado nila yung yung size ng figure namin. Hindi naman eh. Hindi gasya sa akin.
Hindi na sisikipan.
May pangalan na yung loob.
Wait, hindi ko siya ma-pinch kasi natatawa ako.
We're supposed to
Ikaw nga, try mo. Hindi gasya sa akin. Wala ka.
Pwede?
Oo,
Open it. Adjustable.
Adjustable.
Guys, adjustable daw, adjustable.
Hindi. Tiwala lang. Pero,
Wag na lang natin straight yung daliri natin, ganito na.
balik ko. Ganyan na lang. Sa akin okay siya.
Sa akin okay siya.
Wait, ang galing.
Nakalagay yung malugong sa akin.
Okay, okay na sa akin. Hindi, lalaki pa naman tayo eh.
Ang lala!
Kaya kayo wala ka. Gamitchi, wala na yung lalaki.
Oo nga eh, nakalagay oh.
Oo nga, may pangalan ka sa loob.
Saan? Ayun, pangalan.
Ayun, ano kasi dito.
Pang girly yung hands ko eh.
Sa akin din, hindi na nakalagay.
Pangalan.
Sa akin, pangalan.
Ayun, meron din.
Ay, kasayo kasi. Oo.
Bakit?
Pang...
Sangla. Laki yung pangalan, man.
Ang lala! Isasangla daw!
Tinatanong niya ako dito eh.
Sangla daw. Hoy, wala ko siya sabi.
Ang lala!
Pangalan mo yan.
Ang lala mo, boy!
Hindi siya pa nagkakasya sa akin pero feeling ko pag kumain ako na...
Pre, bidding na kagad. Bidding start at 7,000.
Ganda.
Joke lang.
Ganda nga!
Hindi, dito, gitna. Mas maganda gitna.
Ang ganda.
Thank you.
Thank you everyone! Dagdagan sa collection mo, di ba meron kang promo cards na... Ganyan na. Ganyan lang.
Kaya lang.
Pwede na.
Ha? Pwede nyo. Ay, ayun. Ha? Sa gitna.
Thank you, Anko.
Hindi nga kasi.
Thank you so much.
Ayun o, ang luwag o.
Nalilita niya, tingin.
I love this. Hanggang lang mamaya pag off cam.
Pwede naman kami.
Wala, walang pot eh. Ay, maluwag.
Pero ang galing, no? Pwede siya ma-adjust.
Adjustable nga.
Galing.
Gusto matigas lang, matigas to. Bago kasi. Pag bago matigas pa.
Tingin.
Pag lumuma yan, luwag na.
Uy! Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan?
Favorite performance nyo this year?
Round festival.
Yeah, Round Festival for sure.
Run fest.
Round Festival, the one we... ay guys, meron ako ditong for you ng Lucky. Yan.
Yung ganun.
Ano mo, nawawala na naman yung mga pinagsisend ko dito. Kasi... Ayan.
Ngayon ko lang naalala, may ganyan pa pala. Ang dami ko lang version talaga.
Yung maganda din yun, no?
Lucky version. First version of Lucky. Hi, Bright.
Lucky.
Hot. Marcus is somewhere. Gusto ko na din magtulog init. Guys, magpupul na ata kami lahat.
Hi guys.
Bawal kasi magligo kami na nakaano eh. Baka maano. So,
Tilapia. Yung
Ben?
kanyang chili. Oh.
hindi masyado manghang.
Maanghang. Guys, pag hindi kayo sanay sa maanghang siya, pero pag mahilig is maanghang, good siya. So good siya for me kasi mahilig ako sa maanghang. Kasi may ano siya, may sweetness.
Hindi siya ganun, may pinagkaiba siya. So, pero hindi pa ako nag-ano.
Meron ba dito nakakuha nung hanghang? Nung Hoary Wave? Meron ba nasa comments? Meron na ba kayong review? Nandito na ang ang creator ng hanghang. Kaya i-share niyo sa kanya yung thoughts niyo
Para ma-adjust.
baka dapat merong
Masarap yun sa kanin.
sa tilapia at kanin. It's good.
Oh, saan si Jiro? Jiro, magpakita ka. Ulong mo lang.
Ulong basa.
Hindi, as in, pakita kasi cut yun dito eh. Yan. Hello everybody. Ganda na ng likod mo, Jiro. Talikod ka lang. Kaya kita yung mata oh. Likod ka lang.
OG Anchor here. Hello.
Pumogi si Jiro, men. Ito na yung pogi. Pogi! Sige na. Brazilian.
Ay, magsalamat
Mababa.
kita nakita. Paghihirap. Natatakot, naniniwala ko pag hawak ko ang iyong kamay. Salamat dahil tayo to lahat sa sayang panahon. Kaya hanggang sa huli mahal kita. Lakas loob nang sasabihin ang nais na iparating.
Kamusta ka?
Yo.
Ako ang tipong tao hindi sanay sa lahat. Ngunit
Get.
ako ay napakatulong. Wala na kalimutan.
At dahil ako hindi sanay sa lahat, nasa bahay lang ako, mag-isa, at kasama ko lang yung Horizon. Pero isang-isang room kami doon. Alam mo ba? Salamat dahil tayo to lahat sa sayang panahon. At kaya hanggang sa huli mahal kita. Mahal kita. Mahal kita.
Salamat!
Mahal kita.
Your score is
70
89 daw, sabi mo.
89.99 germs. Yo!
Grabe siya yan.
Guys, mahirap magkaraoke ng Horizon.
Pero maganda yung sumunod, no?
Huwag lang mag-isa.
Hindi, gumagana.
Pag nagsasabay-sabay sila.
Mamaya ka na, alis na.
So, kamusta amin lang?
Pero mag...
Pre. Ay, ito. Lundo next please.
Maganda yun. Lundo.
Anong kanta yun?
Lundo.
Anong kanta yan,
Sige,
Lundo?
Magaling ka dyan.
Lindol.
San? Darating.
Lolo.
Mga salita.
Ano nga yung chorus nun?
Hindi ko din alam. Lundo.
Human. Try niyo po yung song na Human Nature. Di ba napipili yung Human Nature? Meron nun, pre.
Nature Spring ata yun.
May moisturizer.
Human
Nature.
Ano yan?
Pa-swimming, tol. Sige.
Punta ka dito.
Punta ka dito. Or noon ka sa, TikTok. Pa-swim.
Swim. Ala, pre. Death or Paradise, please.
Boogs o
Minus
go.
one.
Lala nun, pre. Isang araw dun record nun.
More like sa heater.
Death or Paradise, minus ano, please.
Ano? Lundog. Men, ayos book nun kasi mukhang panot ka dyan dito. Kanya...
Ayun na.
Pero walang ano yan eh, -1, di ba?
Oo, minus one yan.
Hindi.
Oo, okay pre, may...
Hindi ko kapsado lyrics, men. Lyrics.
Margarito, merciful hope, and everything goodness the gracious. We're taking life, but doesn't it try? Don't know, so stop, alright. Ooh.
upside down. Eh,
Would you choose between the paradise?
mahirap yung sakit sa ulo yun ng ano eh. Choreo.
We're not between the paradise, but I don't want to stay. I'll be here till the die. Sacrifice our time. I'll be here till the die. Now we're not between the paradise, but I don't want to stay. Breathtaking, doesn't it true?
Hindi ko na pagsado lyrics.
Sun is hiding on the earth. Moonrise. Kim, chorus.
Hindi ko kaya yan eh.
Sino mo? Kayo yung dalawa lang kumakanta yun, di ba?
Oo, tayo.
Hindi ko kaya yan. Professional lang gumagawa niyan eh.
Twilight has come, so then nightmares I have won't give a long way. Am I safe? But I want you to stay. Saan si Vinci? Nandito lang sa gilid ko, guys.
Siya yung nagbabasa ng mga comment.
Hindi. Hinahanap ko pa rin yung recording ng mama, sayang. Sige, magla-live na lang ako bukas, tapos papakinig ko sa Anchor.
Maglalasingan na lang tayo na ano dito na videoke ng lasingan yun. Ano
Alam mo yung
Yung beer na to, or
ang pag-ibig mo.
yun ba yung, yun yung kinanta sa Showtime, di ba? Na recently. Yun na yun. Tapos super dramatic nung pagkakanta niya.
Temperatures dropping and
Ay,
we
sorry.
speak hands of freezing. Pre, himala.
Bakit?
Himala. Kanta mo rin.
Hindi ko alam yun.
Totoo.
Basta ito.
Ah!
Lasing. Tara.
Ay, medyo.
Duet tayo.
Sige.
Anong kanta yan, Be?
Ito, play ni
Pero
Vinci.
hanap ako ng piano version. Ano ba title ng beer? Beer. Pero,
Hindi na to.
sige, yun na yung goodbye song muna. Goodbye song. Ayan,
Yan.
Itchy Worms.
Search mo lyrics. Nais kong magpakalasing.
Okay, ito na.
Para may ano lang.
Ito na.
Wala ka na.
Piano version to, piano. Para dapat madrama.
Hindi ako, wala akong eyeglass.
Dapat may emotion.
Ito nga, oh. Ito may lyrics, oh.
Ayun.
Yan, papak.
Para to sa mga taong every gabi
Nagpapakalasing ngayon.
nagpakalasing para makalimutan yung pangalan at saka yung Nais kong magpakalasing dahil wala ka na makatingin.
Parang
Magkakaluhan na nagpa-perform siya.
Hindi ko, wala ako sa tournament. Ay, wala ako sa...
kanta ka, pre. Tapos magkikanta ka ng parang NNK, pre. Pwede.
Hindi ko...
Ano nga, hindi ko din tatanda eh. Dahil wala ka na nakakatingin sa salamin. Iisa.
ikaw tulad, ako sa chorus. Ay, sabay-sabay na tayo siguro.
Ako'y katulad ng damdamin ko kahit buhusan mo ng beer at ayaw ang mamatay.
Ayan na, pre. Ay, wala pa. Kala ko ibuhos na.
Hindi pa, hindi pa.
Mas lasing tong nasa pool eh.
So, ito na, malapit na ata, malapit na. Ito na ata, after ito.
Wala iniwan mo ako. Kaya
Ayun na.
ibuhos na ang beer sa aking lamunan. Malunod na ang puso ko'y nahihirapan. Bawat patak, anong sarap, ano ba talagang mas gusto mo?
Ayun na, pang one-liner si Marcus. Beer na to.
Ang pag-ibig mo.
Yay!
Tara, inom.
Your score is...
79.1%. Yung sa likod kasi sila kumanta. Magbalik.
Ayun, yun. Pwede magbalik eh.
Magbalik.
Ano yan eh, kabisado naman lahat pero magbalik is nung feeling famous pa ako sa school.
Ito.
Oh.
Sige.
Nung feeling famous pa ako sa school. Dala lang gitara.
Pati ano, pre, Mamo si para pati magazine, alam mo? Sa isang magazine. Zombie.
Ano, ikaw una. Sige. Ano po?
Sige po. Inaandaw. Sige po.
Okay po.
Sorry po.
30 minutes pa naman. Thank you po. Sorry po. Thank you, kuya. Jiro magbalik ngayon.
Ayan.
Ina ko yung mic.
Nakita ko Jiro sa kalan. Nakita ko.
Wish 107.5.
Wala nang dating patingin. Sawa na ba sa aking lamig? Wala ka namang dahilan. Bakit bigla na lang ang iwan? Di na alam ang gagawin upang ika'y magbalik sa'kin. Ginawa ko naman ang lahat. Bakit bigla na lang naghalang? Di magbabago
Aray ko po.
pagmamahal sa iyo.
Saan sisil dyan?
Sana'y pakinggan mo ang
Everybody sing!
awit na
Brazilian dance na siya.
pusong ito. Tulad ng
Diba? Yan.
Tama ko.
tumitigil sa pag-ibig ko. Pag-ibig di magtatapos. Tulad ng ilog na hindi tumitigil sa pag-agos. Pag-ibig di matatapos.
End.
Ed na, guys.
Yan na.
Hindi, hindi yung kanta.
Next.
Ayun, maganda din.
Honey, my love is so sweet. Kahit sino ka ba, basta mahal ka pa.
Ano na lang?
Kahit na lang.
Ano to?
You're my Mona Lisa. You're my greatest flight. And my only prayer is that you realize.
Alam niyo yung kanta na yan?
You are my sunshine. You are my sunshine. My only sunshine. You make me happy.
Ano pa ba?
Kantahin mo yung
Maganda mag-karaoke pala naman.
This was song from the madness of dream. And all will be alright in time. Oh, you never really loved someone until you learn to give.
Oh, day 6. Alam mo yung day 6 na kanta na?
Ye puso na baraman na kalisan.
Mataas yun na. Ano pang kanta na ulit?
Ano mo?
Di ko na kaya ang umarap pa na.
Ano? OPM. OPM. Tatang isip ko sa'yo.
Awit ng usang ganto. Huling El Bimbo.
Link din ba niya? Sigawan yun, men. Boy, alam mo, maganda. She's gone, boy.
Kaya nyo.
Ano yun? Sakit yun. Hindi na tayo makaboses bukas.
Akong nagulat kita, hindi ako grabe na. Hawak kamay, di kita iwan sa akin.
Ako si Piccolo, ang sasali sa iyo.
Pre, ganda mo yung demonyo ko.
Oh, isang demonyo.
Ano yung kanta niya? Sabi niya kay Arthur Neri.
Para luma.
Kanino ba talaga yun?
Para naman by Arthur Ness. Mag-best friend naman yun, kaya considered yun.
Siya yung co-writer. Siya yung co-writer mo.
Best friend namin yun.
Yung mga ganda din sa mga kanta mo po.
Oo, mga ano.
Ayan, she's good. Ocean Deep Ani.
Parang yung nakaraan yung pinapatugtog mo, ano, heal the world eh. Heal the world. Ano siya? Paano yun siya?
We are the world.
Heal the world. Heal the world.
Yung kay Michael Jackson.
Hindi, we are the world. Ay, we are the world.
We are the children.
Pero guys, yung lumang version yung pinaplay niya. Yun yung mga sound trip ngayon ni Kim. We are the world.
Marami palang mga artist na ano doon.
Oh. Wait, so hindi ko pa alam yung bagong We Are The World kasi luma na yung pinakinggan mo. Meron ng mas bagong We Are The World.
Ano yung paano ka tayo yung bago na?
Pre-buko.
Yun pa rin, pero iba lang. Oh, ito yung napakinggan mo eh, di ba?
Oo.
Yung for Africa. Ito for Haiti. Now you know.
Ito pang Haiti na
Ito
yun.
16 years ago. Oh, makikita mo lang.
Amazing group of artists and musicians of that.
Ay, mahaba
We
pala.
are the world. We are the children.
Yan ba yung naglinggo?
Oo. Ay, tsunami. Ano yung nangyari sa Haiti? Tsunami ba o lindol? Sa Haiti.
Travel with peace of mind with our service
Hindi
guarantee.
alam ni Neto dyan.
Your next
Tsunami.
trip starts at trip.com.
Rage is temporary, peace is eternal.
Ganda.
There comes a time
Oh, Justin Bieber.
Ah, si Justin Bieber.
when we hit a certain call. When the world must come together as
Yung sikat
one.
balls.
Tanang boses ni Jira.
There are people when it's time to lend a hand to life. The greatest gift of all.
Just Ruban.
Malayo mo.
Yung Marcos, pre, lagi nakasilip. Oh,
Ayan.
Ah, dyan may
Kapatid ni Michael Jackson, si Janet Jackson.
It's true when they can
Barbara Streisand. Yung si Hannah Montana.
So their cries for help will not be in vain.
Parang ano yan?
Enrique Iglesias.
We can't let them suffer.
Si Celine Dion.
We can't
Pero ang gaganda ng mga kanta
right now.
unang panahon.
They need a helping hand.
Ay! Uy! Boom!
Ano yun? Ganun.
We're saving your own life.
Ganun yung branding ata niya kapag kanta.
Iba-iba yung ganun.
Language niya yun.
Hindi, ganun talaga yun. Style.
When you're down and out, there seems no hope. And I'll see you
Okay.
Okay na, okay na.
Eh, si Charis. Ay, si Charis.
Yung ano? Anong gandang kanta yun?
Sobrang bagay sa'yo yung mga mabababa talaga.
Alam mo,
Tulad ng
men,
kinanta mo
yung
sa
mga, ano sa'yo, yung
Pan-
mga
Pangliligaw na kumakanta.
Shawn
Parang
Mendes,
nanliligaw.
Shawn Mendes din dapat sa'yo. No? Yung,
Stitches.
You watch me bleed until I can't breathe. Shaking and bleeding.
Bagay na bagay sa'yo yung kinanta mo nung nung anniversary. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang pogi ng boses. Ito kasi si Jungkook eh. Astig ka lang.
ito si, ano, Sam Smith. Sam Smith. Di ba Sam Smith?
Hindi pre.
Ano?
Never talk. Iba yun. Ibang singer yun pre. Hindi siya kumanta lang. Back.
That should be me. Sinayaw yun. Ay! Iba pala.
That should be made by Hip
Iba
Hop.
pala. Justin Bieber.
Pare parang kanina pa yung Panaginip by Angelica. Alam mo yung kantang yun?
Panaginip ko lang.
Nag-vlog na ngayon si Sam Smith. Nakikita niya.
And every time you hurt me, the less that I cry.
Pam Nicole.
And every time
Pam Nicole.
Curfew na daw.
tears dry.
Hindi pa guys, mayroon pang
20. Pero bawal na maingay.
yeah.
Kasi tulog na yung mga neighbors namin dito. Kasi, sorry, kakalipat lang namin talaga dito.
As in ngayon lang.
Bago lang yung bahay namin eh. Pina-blessing ko na tong Airbnb na.
Parang kasi baka para makikita.
Okay lang, okay lang.
Naipit din pa ako.
Matay. Naka-ano ba? Nakayapak?
Nakayapak lang ako.
Talon habang mamay. Kanta ba yun?
Ayaw niya sa amin ang lubos. Mas gusto na maipit ang kukunin ng damit sa damdamin.
Iba din yung... Yun yung gusto ko talaga.
Iba rin yung titig mo sa...
Dito na ako!
Nandito na ako. Dito na yung halima.
Shape of my heart. Ano yun? Shape of my heart.
Shape of You by Ed Sheeran.
May shape of
Guys,
my heart
alam niyo yung
pa
The 1975? Alam niyo yung
Yeah.
kanta ng 1975?
Maganda yun eh.
Which one? About You?
eh. Shape of my heart.
I like About You. I like...
Chocolate.
Yeah, I like
Tapos
Chocolate.
Shape of my heart.
Yung girls.
Girls! Breaking girls, breaking
It's rainy day.
hearts.
It's a rainy day
Just-
daw, guys.
It's rainy day.
Rainy day. Bigawa. Bigawa. Siyempre, yung gano'n natin. Bigawa. Bigawa. Ang lala. Kay Taymin yun eh.
Penny Sundin.
It's Rainy Day by David Sundin.
Bye guys. We will all swim na.
Yeah, we
Can
were
make
going
you
to swim
cry,
na,
I
guys.
can make you scream.
Swimming.
Swimming
Sabed.
time.
You cry,
Swimming
I can
sa bed na
make
kami.
you live.
Kami na ang ibe-bless ng pool. Ano ang fave? Horizon Song.
Horizon Song? Ano ako?
Nag-iiba-iba na ngayon akin kasi sa daming nagtatanong na iiba-iba na yung sagot.
Tabi-tabi.
Pero laging ano, odd eye or kaya odd eye
Lunod na sa akin yun eh.
oo, isa din yun.
Labi-dabi. Lucky.
Labi-dabi.
Labi-dabi, lucky.
Akapela daw kayong labi
Pero lahat naman sila maganda.
Lahat naman ng kanta natin maganda. Walang tapon.
Anong itatapon yung Horizon Song? Yun na lang, hindi pa yung natatanong sa akin.
Itatapon.
Ako itatapon ko.
Yung birthday.
Hindi, lahat naman kasi pinaghirapan natin.
Lahat tapon.
Hindi, pero kung ano yung pinaka, kunwari, tinutukan ka lang pa. Sasabi, anong i-delete mo sa Spotify na kanta?
Akin ano. Ang lunod.
Ba't lunod? Ako birthday, kasi hindi ko natanda.
Birthday.
Eh?
Lahat maganda nun. Lahat maganda.
Ako birthday. Kung yun, pero gusto ko yun yung birthday, pero yun na yung pinaka. Pwede na.
Maganda ano lahat sila.
Yeah, si Bullseye sa
Bullseye.
Kasi yung birthday, parang na siyang lucky. So, pag nawalan tayo ng birthday, may
Micho. Ano talaga? Lucky. Ayan si Marcus, guys. Marcus Cabais is you. Hey. Kailan yung ano natin sa Valorant?
August
Aray ko!
17.
Ang layo.
Start tayo mag-practice August. Nakita yung ay, akala ko ano, nakasulat. Akala ko brand to.
Horizon Carlos yan.
Pangalan mo pala. Slay.
Huwag pumatakin.
Go na, may isa pa. Hello.
Ano name? Babasa ko.
Ano? Masayaw? Hudin ba na yun? Masayaw. Ano?
Tapos ka na?
Pero babalik ka ulit mamaya.
Balik pa. Mamaya pa.
Ano
Pero yung pool until later
Bandaw na.
pwede.
Nag-ano na ako. Kami ni
Yung
Gio.
ingay lang
Lalamitin ka
yung
na.
dapat 10. Kasi nga may... Di ba bawal na ngayon talaga magkaraoke masyado?
Sa loob. Sa loob.
Dalawa no? Pero sinabi lang kayong pahina. Tapos sabi naman hanggang 10. Yung naglilinis sila.
Eh. Favorite post ni Marcus na yan, guys. Eh.
Favorite post ni Kim paano?
Ano ba?
Hello.
Ganun.
I mean, hindi niya naman post, pero ito yung signature niya, yung ganun.
Sige kay Marcos.
Ring Aura Farm. Kaya ba kayo nakaganon kanina?
Hindi, piniflex na kasi yung Chrome Hearts niya.
Si Kai.
Getting roasted now. Yeah.
Di naman, yung ano lang, signature mo nga yun eh.
Baliw ka
Iconic.
talaga.
Si Jiro, wala si Jiro.
Ano ba signature pose?
Hindi, wala siya.
Yung signature pose ni Jiro, yung ano? Yung naka-look away siya.
Hindi, ganito yung dati niya signature post.
Yung nakaganyan.
Tapos ngayon yung,
Pero nawala na yun.
yung cellphone na sa taas na, yun yung signature post ni Jiren.
Ray,
Na selfie.
ugat ko yung signature pose ko sa mukha.
Yung sa face meron, pero yung pose wala talaga. Expression. Ako, lagi akong left side.
Cute talaga ng pusa mo. Oh.
Ang bait niya nga, hindi siya pumapasok ng bahay natin.
Diba? Nakabukas pa ba ito?
Yeah.
Or sa taas na lang.
Kambal daw tayo.
Ano mga kanta? Alam ko siya yun.
Ano hindi magkalayo, no? Sa camera lang. Nako, parang boses na ginti. No?
Kuya, pero pwede mag-speaker ng onte. Basta hindi po rinig sa labas. Okay. Dude, may free character sa ZZZ.
Eh? OP?
Pwede mo nang laruin si Wise. Yung character.
Yung character mismo.
Si Pyrois yung pangalan. Tapos nag-aura farm siya rin.
Malakas siya.
Malakas naman.
Kuya Marco.
Free siya.
Uy,
Tapos ang dami niyang, apat yung ult niya.
pogi. Ah, siya na yun? Yan si Wise?
Oo.
Pogi.
Ganda ng character design.
Nag-aura po.
May up, down, and sides na ult.
Assassin siya.
Ano siya, para siyang nasa loob talaga ni Wise.
Paano nangyari yung story? Eh kaso...
Ngayon ko pa na nilalaro, para siyang
6-7.
past niya na yon tapos na-awaken
Ay, oo nga,
lang.
kasi parang,
Meron
di ba
siyang-
parang nagko-corrupt siya?
Oo, yun.
Yun pala yun.
Nagigising. Na-awaken yung self niya.
Galing ano.
Tapos ang ganda ng harap. Nakuha ko na. Laluruin mo lang yung story, tapos makukuha mo siya libre.
So siya yung pinaka-OP dyan.
Hindi pa naman. Ang pinaka-OP ngayon si... Yun pa rin, yung dati pa rin.
Pero ang astig niya, no? Angas niya.
Radiant sign. How do you do the radiant sign?
Radiant.
Tereng. Looks like a heart of spades. Yo.
Yeah.
What is a heart of spades? What's your pet peeve? My pet peeve is when people walk like, for example, there's like a way, right?
Yeah.
And then people walk like tabi-tabi like that. But there's, no spatial awareness, that's my pet peeve.
Ooh.
You?
Oh.
You? You got?
Yung scratching noise ng plate.
Nangingilo ka?
Yeah. Like metal scratching. Horrible.
Yeah, that is intense. The screech. Yeah, intense screech. Wait, may nagtatanong saan galing yung hoodie ko. My hoodie is from Kashina. Kashina. K-A-S-I-N-A. I bought it sa
Yan ko
Apgujeong.
lang narinig Yan ko lang narinig doon.
Yung backstory niya, tumakas ako para bumili ng hoodie sa Apgujeong. Kasi malapit lang tayo sa Apgujeong, diba? And then, pabalik, nakita ko si Wilson.
Ay, really?
Yeah. I think it was from Apgujeong din. I was like, ay, Winston! Ay, Wilson! Wilson.
Scuba.
Part ng bahay yun kasi na ha 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 ha. K, not C. Kasi.
Evening. Kusina.
Kusina yun
Kusina yun.
Yes. So yeah, that's it. Thank you
Hindi
guys.
daw ba malamok? Hindi naman.
Hindi naman. May dala naman of lotion para sa inyo guys.
Our leader is always
Oh my gosh, so
ready,
ibig
bro.
sabihin din pala 3 years na yung album natin ngayon, no?
Yeah.
Our first album.
Grabe.
Yeah.
First and latest.
First and latest, yeah. I'm here.
Ayun.
How long is our album? Because you know what? Ngayon ang sad kasi most albums right now are like 30 minutes long. Pero 21 songs tayo, di ba?
Yeah. That was actually a really big, like, that's a lot of songs.
That's a lot of songs. Just like, whenever they ask us, how many songs are for the album? 21. Kasi nagawa ng solo. But without the
Which
solo,
is still a lot.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
14 is a
10.
lot.
Oh, 12? 14. Why is it 12? 12. Do they have bonus tracks? Oh, it's 38 minutes in Spotify. Pero I guess the physical is longer.
Yeah.
Physical is longer. What's your favorite album now? Yung dami nag-release ng album.
Octane ni Don Toliver.
The one with yung na black? Yung ba yun? Kung nasan yung body?
Oo, kung nasa mga.
Tung. Tung. Charlie XCX released her new album today.
Oh, wow.
Next hair color you want?
Black.
Yeah,
Black
this-
forever.
Black forever.
Go pink.
Go pink na.
I think pink is pink is nice for like 1 week. And then
Yeah.
after the week your hair
Actually-
is gonna start drying up and then
Yeah.
it's gonna be
Exhibit.
hard to maintain. Yeah. Kung ma-maintain, then that's gonna be really good.
Test how dry.
Uh-oh. Yeah. I get a bit like I get a bit lazy. So having colored hair is not for
You hated being blonde.
Yeah.
When you
it
were
was-
blonde in Korea, you hated that
it
so
was
much.
horrible. Yeah.
He dreaded the blonde era. I love my blonde era.
I actually was the one who pushed to the company.
To go
I told them to go back to black, and then they were like, no, brown only, brown, not fully black.
Brown.
And so I went brown, but then nung umuwi na tayo dito sa Pinas,
That's when you.
that's when I went the fully black again.
Did the company turn you black, or did
No.
you? You turned
it
yourself
was in
black.
when we went to BGC.
Alam ko yung pinagtatawanan niyo isang araw sa Juno eh. Alam ko yun, naririnig ko yun. Alam ko yun.
Let me show it to you.
Wait. I know that.
Worth it ba magpagupit sa Juno eh? Bro! No shade.
No shade to Juno hair. We love Juno hair.
Yeah.
It's just that specific haircut did not fit him.
Ako gusto ko magpa-down perm. Down perm.
Di mo naman ito yun. Or is it what now? Or is it?
All hype.
Or is it? Oh my god. I think the down perm didn't fit him.
He wasn't the problem. He was
Yeah.
not the problem. It was the hair. It was the hair color.
It's just the down perm. If he didn't do the down perm, it would have fit. See, like the sides look fine, and then when he
And then
does
when
the
he goes
full
front.
frontal, and then you see it's too. That's what
It's too
that's,
flat.
That's what Marcus hates.
Yeah,
He doesn't
I
like it
don't
when
like-
his sides
yeah,
are like
that's
that. That's what he hates. He
It looks
likes it
so
fluffy.
bad.
Parang sa akin babagay yan, no?
Sa'yo pwede. Depende
Nag-down
din sa
perm na
tao
tayo
eh.
eh.
Hindi pa sa akin.
Sa akin, di
Ah,
bagay.
Di ba,
I look like a Roblox character when
Yeah.
I have a down perm.
Oh, we were styled by Juno Hair like multiple times, right? I think I tried this hairstyle.
Yeah. It wasn't horrible on you. It
fine.
really just depends on like the head shape of
Yeah.
the person.
But I was in. Oh, Guys! Happy May cake pala. May cake pang pahabol. Ay, hindi pala kita. Happy birthday, Horizon. Happy birthday, Horizon. Happy birthday, Horizon. Happy birthday to you.
Naruto. Rasengan. Wait, is this mine? Or Horizons?
Oh yeah, it can be yours.
It can be mine, right? Yes. That's yours. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Wala nang mitse.
I used a wrong finger. It's cream. Thank you guys.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Speak in Spanish. Hola, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo te llamas?
Hola. Hola, soy
¿Cómo tú te llamas? No sé.
Anime
Forget
recommendation.
about your boyfriend, even the father.
ReZero.
Ako,
Solo
Jujutsu Kaisen.
Jujutsu Kaisen. Have you watched the latest season?
Yes.
Oh, I haven't.
Ako, tapos ko na yun.
Yung manga? Or yung seasons?
Season. From
Hindi ko-
0, 1,
Nasa
2.
episode 2 pa lang ako ng season 2 ng Jujutsu. Is season 2 good?
Yeah.
Or like 1 is better?
One is better.
See, that's why I can't... I don't know.
But it's
Panoorin mo rin
depende pa
season 2. Ang ganda ng laban nila dun. Itadori tsaka ni... Sino yung...
Hindi ko nakilala kung sino yung...
Sino yung may ano dito? Nakalimutan ko na.
Mahito?
May
Si
blush.
Mahito.
Ay,
oo.
joke.
May blush.
Maganda
Season
yung kay
six, oh my
Choso
gosh.
eh.
Si Choso. Kasi...
Oh, speaking of that, did you watch The Menu?
Yeah, I did.
The Menu, where they made the cheeseburger.
Yeah.
That's actually nice. Yeah, it's really nice. It's really well made.
Really unique.
Because that dude is Voldemort.
Yeah.
That dude is Voldemort. That's why it's really scary.
Human meat ba yan?
Hindi naman din. I mean, pinapatay niya lang yung mga critics niya. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Serial killer siya?
Hindi. Chef talaga siya. Like, he's a renowned chef. Kilala siyang chef. Tapos, kasi maraming nag-criticize yung ginagawa niya.
Na-murder,
Oh, in-invite niya sa isang isla and then,
inisa-isa niya.
yeah. It was
Scary.
favorite memory niyo as a group. Madami! When we eat together sa Korea, I
Yeah.
guess. That's a nice...
Wala bang way para mapakita ka din?
Layo na. Uy, naantok ka pa, mahaba pa yung gabi. Magsasalubong tayo.
There you go.
Wink, wink.
May pasok pa daw sila bukas.
Ay, ano ba ngayon? No, it's Saturday tomorrow, unless, I guess,
Baka may pasok
university.
sila.
I watched The Odyssey 5 stars on Letterboxd easily.
So is it like the best Nolan film you've ever watched?
No, I think Interstellar and Memento is my favorite.
Interstellar. You know what? I don't remember watching Interstellar. Wait, is Interstellar the movie na yung na-stuck siya sa space? Hindi. Iba ba
I
yun?
mean, technically, yeah, na-stuck siya sa space. But I feel like most of space
Yeah,
movies
maganda yun.
na-stuck siya sa space.
Yung may
May
alien.
iniisip akong iba ata na movie na na-stuck sa space tapos parang kailangan niya.
I like
Hindi yun.
Interstellar.
Bago yun eh. Parang luma na din. Parang time ng Interstellar. I think it was it.
Martian?
But when, kasi akala ko Interstellar and then I saw clips of Interstellar, I was like, I don't
it wasn't-
think I've seen
Grabe
this.
nakakayak din.
The Martian. Oh, maybe it was The Martian.
Nakakayak yun.
The Martian. Oh yeah, it's The Martian.
That's Matt Damon too.
Yeah, but it's not Christopher Nolan, right?
It's not.
It's not. It's
Bro, you should watch Memento.
Memento. That's Nolan.
Memento Mori.
Oh.
Hindi, Memento lang. Memento lang. It's so crazy.
It's Drew. It's Ridley Scott. Wait, Ridley Scott. Isn't that Ridley Scott? Alien. Oh, he made Alien.
The Alien.
Wee Croissant. Huh? Jujutsu Kaisen.
No, this is my letterbox character. My top 4 is Bugonia, Shutter Island, American Psycho,
And what's that?
Dial M for Murder.
I don't know
It's a
that.
1954 film.
Sheesh! I haven't watched that.
So good though.
Old film. Nagsiswimming din si G. Ngayon nagsiswimming si ano. Nag-heart to heart talk sila. Gusto niyo makita.
What's happening? They're having a pep talk. Wow.
Yeah, that's what we do in our anniversary.
Guys, minsan lang to. Seated. December.
tagal pa.
December. Pero yung Spider-Man, this week, next week.
Next week. Yeah, labas na nga yung mga Kiddie Meals eh. Ay, Kiddie Meals ba?
Yeah.
McDonald's. Happy Meal.
Oh, happy meal.
Brand new day.
Brand new day.
Panoorin ko yan.
Parang.
Napanood ko lahat ng Spider-Man eh. Subaybayan ko kaya solid mo.
Wow, meron daw college graduate na. Fan panood remaker. Sheesh.
Congrats.
Congrats on graduating. Who's your favorite Spider-Man? Tom or Andrew?
Andrew
Or
Garfield.
Toby?
Andrew ako.
Andrew Garfield, yeah.
Really? Oh, sheesh.
My favorite.
Well, hindi ko masyado napanood si Andrew.
The best Spider-Man. And Tom Holland is good too.
Top magusto. Yeah. Yeah, magustoyo.
Thoughts sa Obsession.
Nice movie. I also
Scary.
like Obsession. Obsession was nice. I think Obsession was better than The Backrooms.
I haven't watched
But they were
Backrooms.
both nice releases.
I haven't watched Backrooms.
I
I'm
watched
planning.
Backrooms.
Sawadi ka.
Tapos ko na yung Backrooms. Grabe, hindi ko
Grabe.
magets yung
Yung
story.
Backrooms, nakalito nga yun.
Yung sa huli, parang sa huli yung babae na yung nagano na lang.
No.
I would rather.
The game is... Oh, have you played Backrooms?
No,
Ay, meron na.
Meron?
Ganong yung...
But it's a game talaga, di ba?
Andun talaga.
Backrooms talaga?
Same talaga. Andun din si yung captain, yung
Ay, we?
andun din. Siya yung nangahabol siya. Pero dun, ang bilis tumakbo.
We?
Di ba yung sa
Ay, parang
movie,
nakita ko yun sa
iga-iga?
TikTok.
Oo, iga-iga
Tapos
siya.
gumaganon
Siya, ang bilis. Nahabol ka talaga.
You have Letterboxd?
No. I should nga. I keep forgetting.
Letterboxd.
Because I keep watching movies and then forget that I
psychological
watched.
But
stuff.
like Letterboxd, went like for the
Backrooms,
first
more
week,
psychological
it's like
stuff.
parang
you forget.
you forget to log. Yeah, like movies. Pero the more you do it, it's gonna become like muscle memory. Like after you watch a movie, you're gonna open
you're gonna
Letterboxd. You're gonna look at the comments. It's really nice. 35.
I think that's mine too or more. But I don't recall. Sometimes I forget that I've watched films. I think
Did you
I've
watch the drama.
the drama. Yeah, wait.
Kay Zendaya tsaka Robert Pattinson.
No.
You should-
Haven't.
you should watch it.
Haven't.
You should watch it.
The last Robert Pattinson movie I watched was Mickey 17. Yung marami siya. Yeah.
Well, Robert Pattinson is in the Odyssey.
Yeah. He's so funny.
Favorite movie genre? Psychological thrillers.
Dark comedy.
Oh, the comedy is good too.
I love dark
comedy.
comedy.
Ikaw?
Horror.
Horror?
Favorite niya.
Horror and same lang yun, thriller and horror.
Yeah, I mean that's
Action ba?
different.
Action, yeah, action too. I like.
The drama is kind of dark comedy, I think. May pagkabasa.
Oh, is it?
Like the movie, the drama.
The drama.
Gusto ko rin movie yung maganda yung plot.
Yeah. Kahit ako nga, kahit konti lang yung budget ng movie, pero
Yung
maganda
plot,
yung plot, ma-enjoy ko talaga.
Ma-enjoy ko rin.
Oh, minsan sa cast ako.
Oh.
Sometimes I check the cast and if I've seen someone, their film before, I'm like, I'm gonna watch more films of theirs.
Yeah.
And then sometimes, sa K-drama naman, when was the last time you watched a K-drama?
Oh, ages ago, bro.
I just watched.
Maybe last year or 2 years ago.
Agent Kim, you should watch. Try to watch.
Oh yeah, it's
Agent
on Netflix right now. It's like top.
Kim. Agent Kim.
I just finished Teach Me a Lesson. It's really nice. It's really good.
Yes. Dahasagami ownin.
Ownin it.
Ownin it.
Ownin it.
Ownin it.
Gusto niyo nalilito kayo, watch Tenet.
Oh yeah.
Tenet, yeah. If you want,
Christopher Nolan, you know?
if you want to watch a movie that you wouldn't understand, it's Tenet
Yeah.
by Christopher Nolan.
I want to rewatch it nga because I feel like I'm gonna appreciate it more on the second watch.
Tenet's so hard to understand. Project Hail Mary thoughts. I like the stone baby alien.
I just didn't expect it to be like a drama. I was expecting it to be like, oh, that's
Ako
crazy.
din. Nakala
Oh my
ko
gosh, that was
ganun.
mind blowing. I didn't know it was gonna be like, oh.
Nakakaiyak pala siya.
Yeah.
I Will Find You. No. I haven't watched I Will Find You. What's that? Best cartoon movie?
Cartoon movie.
Cartoon movie to recommend.
Soul.
It's a good one. I just watched yung Beaver. I forgot the name. Where SZA has a soundtrack.
Oh.
That was really nice. I just watched it this year. But I love Zootopia. Zootopia 1. Yun yung first kong iniyakan na cartoon.
Seryoso ba? Zootopia 1.
Zootopia 1. I tried. Ay, meron bagong yun sa HBO eh. Yung they're gonna kill us. They're gonna kill you. That's really nice.
Kinancel ko yung subscription ko sa
HBO.
Kasi I just did it for
It's nice. It's a fun watch. They will kill you.
Nung tinapos ko yung I canceled na yung subscription ko sa HBO.
Ang tagal na nun ah.
That was like last year.
Last year pa. Ginagamit ko lang yung sa friend ko eh. Game of Thrones, no.
Nope.
Not a Game of Thrones person.
Nope. And I just think it's knowing how the ending is.
Oh, I don't
just-
know.
I have no motivation to watch it.
Wait, are we talking about the first one? Kasi di ba ngayon meron ngayon yung
May pangalawa?
like a spin-off, like the dragon thing.
I don't know. I'm just talking about like the main,
OG, the OG.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, I don't know how it ends.
Yeah.
What's a movie that you'll never forget kasi napaka messed up ng plot? Shutter Island for sure.
Shutter Island, Requiem for a Dream. What's like traumatizing?
For me, I'm never gonna watch Hereditary again.
Oh, Hereditary.
And Midsommar, yeah, those are like ones in a lifetime things, but not in a good way, in a traumatic way. And I think Forgotten is really the Korean movie Forgotten. It's really messed up. Oh my gosh. Weapons or Sinners? Fun watch, Weapons, cinematography, Sinners. So
I haven't watched Sinners.
Sinners really nice.
I should watch.
You should watch it in 4K or whatever. Ang ganda ng cinematography. Kasi the aspect ratio changes throughout the movie. Yeah, that's why it's like very immersive. Like, what? Have y'all seen Scott Pilgrim? Of course, I've watched Scott Pilgrim. Fave Marvel movie, anything Doctor Strange. Colony, Winston has watched. Falsetto! Falsetto! Someone's telling me to do falsetto.
Oh, that's my greatest enemy.
Falsetto.
I remember when we first debuted, and I was like going through puberty.
Yeah.
There was legit, like literally nothing
No
would come out.
falsetto.
Yeah, zero.
But now,
Ngayon,
the device that we're using, 10%. Once it dies,
we're out.
we're out. Bring her back. Oh, I've seen that. That's messed up too.
Have you watched The Others?
No.
It's about like movie about ghosts.
No.
Oh my god, I think you'll enjoy it.
The Others. Oh, 2001. Oh, Nicole Kidman. Okay, I like Nicole Kidman.
It is crazy. That movie.
Oh my gosh, he looks. Okay, I've seen. Oh my gosh, that kid. Does he look like that? I mean, no shade.
Yeah, that is like.
Oh my gosh, that's scary.
like genuine. That genuinely terrified me. That movie.
Yeah, old movies are scary.
Yeah. Hi, Erica. She's my Team Yay.
Contest.
No, the co-stars from Team Yay.
Do you read Wattpad? No.
Mulholland Drive was really messed up. Any David Lynch film is messed up, in my opinion. There's just no reason.
Wait, what David Lynch?
Like, I feel like you need to know what you're getting into if you're gonna watch a David Lynch film, or else it's just gonna creep you out and you'll never watch it again. But I liked Mulholland Drive and Lost Highway. That was pretty cool.
No, I haven't watched any David Lynch.
Not traumatizing, but just like it's gonna be like, what the heck did I just watch after you watch it?
Yeah, no, I haven't watched any. Twin Peaks? Oh, it's a show. Oh, he does shows too. I didn't know that.
They said Twin Peaks is amazing. I haven't watched it.
Red. Comedy movie that will make you laugh. I love Rough Night. That's my favorite comedy movie. With my sisters too. That's our favorite. I don't think you watch comedy that much, right?
I'm not a big fan of comedy. I'm not a big fan of romance and comedy.
I love rom-com sometimes. When I need a little cleanse. When I watch something so traumatic, I watch rom-com sometimes. Guilty pleasure.
Pag comedy, show ako. Netflix show. Pero hindi ako nanonood lang comedy na movie. I'm watching The Office right now.
The Office? Oh, I haven't started.
It's funny.
Meron na siyang may bago na siyang spin-off ngayon. Yeah. But it's a different show altogether. But Young Sheldon, napanood mo na daw?
Nope.
No. I know about it, but
Breaking Bad. Breaking Bad is good.
favorite Pinoy movie?
I don't know too many Pinoy
Starting
movies.
over again.
Y'all should watch My Two Mommies. I think it was a pretty good movie.
Yeah, I like the
Good-
kid there.
yeah, good
The
plot.
one with the French accent.
The kid, the kid's acting skills need some work.
Really,
That's like the one flaw, in my opinion.
I mean, for a child actor, that was like Grammy win, Oscar, Grammy win music.
oh
pala.
my gosh, I remember.
That was like
I
Golden
remember
Globe.
vividly.
That was a Golden Globe performance.
I remember vividly. They made during a scene that I had to cry.
During that,
For the movie, right? I had to cry, and I didn't. I'm not a good actor. I mean, like, I'm not experienced, so I'm not used to crying on command. So we would have like three takes kami na walang lumalabas na luha. And then the director, props to the director, he like had a one-on-one. He told everyone to leave the room, and then we had a one-on-one, and he started attacking me. And he was like telling me, no, not
Oh,
physically.
okay,
like
okay.
he was like think about this.
Oh, like, think,
think
oh,
about- yeah.
like feeding you bad thoughts.
Yeah, feeding you like horrible thoughts. And
Your
then,
blah blah dies.
Yeah. And then boom, and then I did it.
Yeah.
And I just kept going.
So it worked.
It worked, yeah. And then I remembered the feeling, and then I just activated it again.
The director was like, "What should I do to make this kid cry?"
It worked though. It worked.
I haven't tried that. Yeah, I haven't tried acting, so I wouldn't know how hard that would be. But I think
I feel like I would enjoy acting more now.
But
Since-
what do you think would be your forte genre if you were an actor right now?
Thrillers.
Thriller.
Thrillers is my forte. Yeah.
So would you want to be the role of like the creepy kid or like the kid that gets creeped out?
The kid that gets creeped out.
Okay.
Yeah, the kid, I feel like it's hard for me to look scary.
Anong gusto mo sa diptyque? Calm down, no? Lion King experience.
Lion King experience. I think Lion King is the reason why I'm like, I don't know. I became. It's like
You became a performer.
yeah, but like more performer. I feel like it's being an actor in movies and musical are very different. And if you act in a musical, everything has to be exaggerated,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
it even looks unnatural.
Yeah, like you should be very
It actually
animated.
has to look unnatural, but it works. Whatever works. Yeah. Come to London. Let's
It's
go.
it's very normal for like an actor to have foundations in theater
Yeah.
and then transition to film or television.
Yeah.
I think it's a nice foundation to have.
Kasi super exaggerate yung
Yeah.
musical. So like if you want to transition from musical to movie, then you just have to
Yeah.
lessen it.
I think the other way around would be harder.
Yeah, it would be harder to like learn something you don't have.
Comfort song right now. Let's see.
We both looking at their Spotify.
Let's see, because I have a lot of songs that I listen to. The Ryan Beatty album, Sweet Fortune. Comfort song. I like
Playground Love by Air.
Air. Is it a new thing, new release?
No, old.
This is a new release. Motivation for anchors. Anchors, keep doing what you're doing. Keep
Yeah.
working if you're working. Because the economy is hard right now.
It is.
So you should hang on. We will make more new music for you.
Holy Wave was so fun.
Thank you so much to all of the people who were behind that.
Yeah. It's always fun to like have a stage na we have
Full control.
control. Because that's what makes us, performers. And it's fun to have creative touches. Percent.
5%.
Tofi, what are you doing here, Tofi? Tofi, stop.
Hi, Tofu.
Maglalaro pa ba yung Ravens sa ML? I think they will play ML again, but I won't be joining it anymore. Only because
Graduate na.
I realized that there's levels to this, and I'm just not great with mobile games, you know? Like, I'm more comfortable.
애들아 너무 보고 싶어요.
Is
오랜만이다.
that someone we know, or? Oh,
Yeah, that fan,
yeah?
that specific fan,
Ash?
she always goes to our music shows in Korea.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I remember. I don't think she has changed her profile picture since then. She was always watching.
Wow.
She was a Filipino in the
Oh,
music.
okay, now I
yeah, she was the one.
remember.
She was the one screaming a lot.
Wow.
She should have a fan cam. She should have a fan cam.
Yeah, true.
She was in Music Bank. She was in Music Core, in Arirang, and Countdown maybe even.
Rom-com, the drama. Go watch the drama.
I just watched voice voicemail for Isabel. Yeah, I just watched it last night. It was a good rom-com. I haven't watched a good rom-com in a while, and that was a good rom-com. It's on Netflix. Fave Filipino song, I think any Four of Spades.
Favorite Filipino song.
Or any, there's a band I'm listening to right now, New Lore, really good music. I think they're a band from CSB, or I might be mistaken. Oh, Coach Bay!
Oh, hello,
Coach Bay! So thank you so much for your message during Horror Wave.
That was, I didn't expect that at all. That's
Thank
crazy.
you so much. We miss you so much. See you soon, see you soon!
See you soon, Coach Bay. See you soon. See you next month when I go there.
He's gonna go here too.
Oh, right. He's gonna go here before that. Yeah. Be cool.
Oh, I think the day that you're there, he might not be there.
Oh, no.
He might be swapping countries. Country swap.
Surely not.
Country swap. Kamusta Haibay? Super fast. O diba yun
Oh, yeah.
Super fast nung Haibay.
Bye-bye.
Wow, that
Yeah.
was...
I was like,
They were...
but it was fun though. Everyone was so fun. Like it's always so nakaka-uplift when we see our anchors like smiling and all happy, because it makes us happy, and then it makes us feel like, you know, the practice was worth it, preparation was worth it. So we motivate each
Yeah,
other.
they were really smart. Even though they were fast, I saw them.
Yeah.
They were really happy. Akala ko nga baka masad sila kasi nga super bilis, but like they still look very bright and happy. Namun sarang ngayon kamkamda. I miss Isaac Toast. We miss Isaac Toast.
Yeah.
Isaac Toast, no.
And
Pirueo.
Mom's Touch.
Yeah.
Cheese balls and Mom's Touch.
Ah, Kyoton. Ah.
Ajik.
Isaac Toast. Isaac Toast.
I thought it said Ajik.
What kind of... I will try to make my own Isaac Toast maybe. I don't think it's too hard.
Oh my gosh.
I think you put honey sa bread.
I see when I go to convenience stores, I see egg drop. Korean.
Yeah, there's egg drop na here. There's egg drop.
That's cool.
So guys, send this to anyone who is gonna franchise Mom's Touch. You should franchise Mom's Touch in the Philippines. It will be very successful. I am telling you. If I could franchise Mom's Touch, I would have long time ago.
They franchised what?
BBQ,
chicken.
Gumne,
Yeah. They
Haris,
franchised a few already.
Pari Baguette.
But Mom's Touch would kill it.
Yeah, would kill the Filipino market. They
Yeah.
would love it here. It would be a success. Anong oras? Anong oras daw ihahagis yung manager natin sa pool? That's scary. Marcus doesn't like selling his things. We asked him if he
Oh,
wanted
yeah.
to sell his things.
I keep everything.
Yeah, he has sentimental value.
I am
Sa-
that kind of guy though.
Right.
Yeah.
Me too, but I was like, I'm tired of my clothes. I wanted new clothes. Because some of those clothes were like from, I was in Batangas pa, which was like 5.
I guess if I sell something, it would be like a big like something that is like a big purchase. You know what I mean?
Yeah, like bags.
Like
or something.
sellable things. I mean, like tradable things. Gonna. Oh, my parents are here. Bye, guys. And it's 2%.
Yeah,
so
2%. Bye,
it's gonna
bye.
die soon. Love you guys.